Hi guys, I recently got this cactus. Isn't it pretty? You can put it on your desk at work or even at a windowsill. But don't be fooled, it's trash. You're going to want to stick around because I'm going to show you how some stores are actually selling you plants like this one that are guaranteed to die on you. Let's get to it. Bam! That's right, I just turned it upside down. Bam! And the soil is stuck inside. That's because all the rocks are cemented. How is this actually going to survive? It's not. Now, this arrangement poses a whole host of problems that will have you spending your hard-earned cash on an arrangement that will end up in the trash. And it's not your fault. The way this plant is situated in this pot is designed to have you waste your money, and it all has to do with this pot. The top surface of this arrangement has rocks glued. So how is the water supposed to reach the roots? What will happen is the water will end up staying on the surface of the top of this pot and won't reach the roots. And when it eventually does, it may not be enough. So you may end up overwatering or actually killing the plant by not giving it enough water. Who the heck thought that this was a good idea? And the biggest problem with this beautiful arrangement is that, wait for it, that's right, it has no drainage holes. How is the water expected to drain out of this pot? It's not designed to do that. I paid close to $30 for this plant. Return to sender. Coming up, I'm going to continue to show you how some stores deliberately sell plants and pots like this that are guaranteed to waste your money. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Share this video with your family and friends, especially those family and friends who think they have a black thumb, because they may not. They may actually be buying plants like this that are guaranteed to fail. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to hit that sub button and that like button. And if you have anybody that needs this video, please don't forget to share it with them. Until next time, bye-bye.